If you're waiting to feel confident before you start your side hustle, your plan B, or even just putting yourself out there, you're going to be waiting forever. In this video, I'll show you why confidence isn't the start line, it's actually the finish line. A practical exercise I share with my clients to help them get started today, even if they're terrified. And why the women who succeed are never the ones who feel ready. Here's the thing, you've been stuck in this loop for months, maybe even years. I just don't feel ready. I just need to feel more confident before I start. But confidence doesn't just magically appear. It comes after action, never before. What comes before action is bravery. If you keep waiting, nothing is going to change. You'll still be working the same job. You'll still be scrolling past the posts thinking someday that might be me. But deep down, you know what's going to happen. So how do you move forward without confidence? Here's the framework I use. Number 1, start with courage, not confidence. It's that bravery I was talking about. Confidence is evidence that you took the action. Courage is the faith to take the action. All you need is the courage or the bravery to take one tiny step, one tiny action towards where you want to be. Number 2, I ask my clients to take the 10-minute test. And I'm going to share the 10-minute test with you now. So you need to grab your phone and set a timer for 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, I want you to do one thing that's going to move you towards your goal. For example, you might write down 5 skills that you use at work that you could apply to an online business to monetize it. You might draft a 2-line social media post about why you're even thinking about a side hustle or a plan B. Or maybe Google something that you're interested in and see if it comes up as sort of a side hustle that you might be interested in. And when the timer goes off, you stop. That's it. Why? Because you've just proven that you can start. Not tomorrow, not when you're ready, but now. So if you want to do the 10-minute exercise now, pause this video and make a start. The third thing in my framework is to bust a myth. It's that I don't have time excuse. I hear this all the time. Jen, I haven't got time. But here's the truth. You don't need hours and hours. You just need little pockets of time. 15 minutes every day builds more momentum than 0 minutes for 6 months. It's not about time. It's about priority. When I started, I didn't carve out huge chunks of time. I still don't. I've still got my corporate job and I'm the main earner in the house. I travel all over the country for all the time. But I made a deal with myself. 15 minutes a day was a non-negotiable. And in those minutes, I researched, I learned, I tested. It wasn't glamorous, but it's building into something that's so precious to me. It's my early retirement plan. And let me tell you, there was no confidence there. I just started messy. After the first person joined my team, and then the second, then it was like, oh my God, this is actually working. And now I've created a system that's pretty well automated, and anyone who joins my team has access to that. I can show them exactly how to do this without spending their life on it. So if you've been saying, I'll wait until I feel ready, stop waiting. You don't need confidence. You just need to get started. And I'm so happy with my side hustle. But let's be honest, there's 1,000 different ones out there and everybody's telling you the right one to go for. So with that in mind, I've created a free guide called Thinking of Starting a Side Hustle. It's not biased towards my side hustle or anybody else's. It's very neutral. It just walks you through 5 key areas you should think about before you join, sign up, or importantly, invest in any side hustle. And when you've read the guide, you will get an invitation to my free masterclass, which does talk you through exactly how I built my side hustle and how you can do the same. There's no pressure to watch it. It's just there if you want to do your research. So if you want to get hold of that guide, you can check out the description to this video, or you can drop a comment underneath the video. As ever, I appreciate your feedback. It helps me to bring the stuff you're looking for, and it helps other people to find my stuff as well. Any comments or questions, please leave them down below, including a request for that free guide. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and of course, for more like this, please subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, remember you're amazing. Drop me that comment, and you have an amazing week.